I wish I wasn't fat.
I wish I wasn't gay.
I wish I wasn't black.
I wish that I was brave.
I wish with every candle on the cake that I could quit doing these drugs, but I can't, and I'm afraid.
There is nothing to be afraid of, Mr. Morgan.
We can't change what's done. Can only move on.
I see the morrows and see them clearly, sir.
Your journey, your path will be just fine.
Even when all reason is lost and all truth has become lie, you will stand firm. For loyalty is both your saving and your curse.
Take a gamble that love exists and do a loving act.
Face me to the west so I can watch the setting sun and remember all the fine times we had that way.